The sixth video of the basic module on writing children's books is about the length of your story and the structure of your book. If you're writing a novel for adults, you actually don't have to worry too much about how long the story ends up being. Of course, you want to keep your readers engaged and hold their attention, but you don't really have to think too much in advance about how thick the book will be. It's more of a problem if it ends up being too thin. With children's books, you do need to take that into account. At least a little bit. Kids actually like both thick books and thin books. What matters more to them is whether there are pictures inside, and if so, how many pictures there are, and whether there's a lot of white space or if the pages are crammed full of gray-black letters. That's what they base their choices on. That's what they look at. You could say that one full A4 page typed on the computer equals about 2 book pages. 2, maybe 2.5 book pages. Roughly 500 words on an A4 and about 200 to 250 words on a book page. Of course, it really depends on how the book is laid out. So for the average reader, a chapter of 2 A4 pages is definitely enough. You can take this into account when organizing your book. For example, if you have a picture book, you can count how thick picture books usually are. Most of them are 28 to 32 pages. Well, then you can assume 16 spreads, and you'll know that there's usually only one block of text on a spread. So that means for a picture book, you could divide your story into 16 text blocks. That's for picture books, but for books for elementary school children, so again, for kids around 10 years old, you can assume 2 full A4 pages. That's 4 to 5 pages for a chapter. That's perfectly fine for a children's book, and that's how you can see it. What could you tell in that chapter? Which topics will go into the next chapter? About how thick will the book you want to write be? This way, you can create a structure. In the workbook, I've included a template where you can make a structure for your own story idea. And also, take a look at a children's book from your own shelf. How many chapters does it have? And how long are those chapters? If that's a really old children's book, you could take a look at the new children's books in the library, the modern children's books. In my opinion, those chapters are quite a bit shorter than they used to be in older children's books. These days, you also have graphic novels, which of course have even more pictures than text. Those are books you really need to create in collaboration with an illustrator, but they're also very popular and in demand right now. For a teen book, you can also assume that one A4 page equals 2 book pages. The chapters for teens can definitely be a bit longer, unless you're writing feel-good books about falling in love. Those readers also often like it when the chapters aren't too long. Well, this way you can just start experimenting. You can take a look at what your fellow writers are doing, what the big publishers are doing in the books they release. Are those long chapters or short chapters? It also varies by genre. Fantasy books, for example, can sometimes have pretty thick chapters and quite complex descriptions of the worlds that have been created. And yeah, romance novels are sometimes a bit more fast-paced and shorter, finished more quickly, or have a bit more white space in them. In the workbook, I've also adapted the template so you can try putting your idea into that structure. So what remains then?